What are the two types of propeller configurations? Tractor and pusher. What tool is used to determine propeller blade angle? Universal propeller protractor. What are the aerodynamic forces and loads acting on a rotating propeller blade? Centrifugal force, aerodynamic twisting, centrifugal twisting, torque bending, thrust bending. What is the meaning of propeller blade, back, and face? The curved side of the propeller is called the blade's back that faces away from the engine. The side that faces the engine is called the face. The blade faces off with the pilot. What positions are used on a balance stand to check a two-bladed propeller for static balance? Vertical and horizontal. Why do you put the blades of a counterweight propeller into high pitch before stopping the engine? So the cylinder moves inboard and covers the piston, protecting it. Why are cones installed on spline shafts with a propeller? The cones center the propeller for when you're tightening the retaining nuts. What is the purpose of an arbor when balancing a propeller? Support the propeller on the balance. Knives. When changing metal bushings on a wooden propeller assembly, a thorough inspection of the bolt holes should be accomplished. Why? To check for elongation of the holes. Can transverse cracks in a propeller be repaired?
No.
What types of systems are used for de-icing propellers? Fluid or electrical? What is the purpose of a slinger ring on some propeller installations? The de-icer fluid is ejected from a nozzle into a U-shaped channel attached aft of the propeller. The fluid is centrifugally forced through small tubes to the propeller's leading engine. Dyson fluid is ejected from a nozzle on the engine to a meta-groved ring aft of the prop that is spinning as fast as the prop. The fluid slings through holes drilled in the ring, then through discharge pipes, out across the leading edge of the propeller. What is blade tracking? Determining the position of the tips of the blades relative to each other. Do the counterweights on a constant speed propeller increase or decrease the blade angle? They increase the pitch of the blades. What should you adjust if a pilot requires 50 more RPMs on an aircraft equipped with a constant speed propeller? Adjust the governor's prop level. Set screw. What adjustments are power plant mechanics allowed to make to the prop governor? Only the maximum RPM stop. Why are propellers indexed to the crankshaft of the engine? To keep vibrations to a minimum. What is the alpha range and beta range of a propeller? Alpha range, propeller position in flight. Beta range, propeller during ground operations, and in the reverse pitch position. What happens to a constant speed, feathering propeller when the propeller, governor's oil pressure drops to 0 psi? Too low pitch, stop, engages to prevent, blade angle changes.